Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve an equation which has a square root in it. So let's start. I'm going to use the question, k squared is equal to 121. Now, 121 is a perfect square. It is the same as 11 multiplied by 11. So that is one of the answers to our question. However, if you recall, a negative number times by another negative number will give us a positive number. So this also holds true for minus 11. So here we have a question which has two answers, 11 and minus 11. As we have k squared, this is technically a quadratic equation, which means it should have two solutions. So our two solutions are 11 and minus 11. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.